In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF to Godaddy Website Builder. To begin, sign into your Godaddy account and open your My Products page. This is where you can access the tools and services connected to your account. Once you are there, scroll down until you see the Websites plus Marketing section. Find the website where you want to add the PDF, then click Manage next to that site. After that, click Edit Website to open the visual editor. This is the area where you can make changes to your site layout, text, buttons, and links. When the editor loads, go to the section of the page where you want visitors to access the PDF. You can add the PDF link to either a piece of text or a button depending on how you want it to appear on your site. Click directly on the text or button that you want to use. Once selected, look over to the panel on the right-hand side. In that panel, turn the link option on. This tells Godaddy that the selected text or button should open something when a visitor clicks it. Next, choose the option labeled Page or URL, or click Link to depending on the version of the editor you see. From there, select File. This is the option that lets you attach a document instead of linking to another page or website. Now click Upload and choose your PDF file from your computer. Make sure you select the correct version of the document before moving on, especially if you have multiple copies saved with similar names. Once the upload finishes, click Insert or Save to confirm the file link. At this point, the text or button on your site should now be connected to the PDF. This means visitors will be able to click it and open or download the document, depending on their browser and device settings. The final step is to click Publish in the top right corner. This is very important because your changes will not appear on the live site until you publish them. After publishing, it is a good idea to test the link on your live website to make sure the PDF opens correctly and leads to the right file. That covers everything you need to know.